Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Moss, aka SPY Trades, and today we're going to be back with another trade recap and review. Today's Monday the 5th, and yeah, let's go keep this short and sweet. Let's just go ahead and dive into it, another recap and review. So coming off of the day, the reason traded basically AMD and SPY. So coming off of the day, the reason why I had SPY AMD on watch list, first trade of the day, was because of this nice daily candle that we made here, gapping up, and also a potential NVIDIA sympathy play back into all-time highs here. And one of the reasons what I was looking at in terms of key levels was if we could reclaim this. Let me go ahead and just remove these studies real quick. What I was looking for was if we could reclaim this 180.68 level here. That was going to take some longs here. And first trade of the day, right off the open, I wanted to scale in, but I accidentally bought 2 contracts instead, which is not something that I want to do, especially with a premium like this. And these were expensive. Reloaded the account to $500, but that's not really. I was gonna reload it to $2,000 with Interactive Brokers, but I have been having some broker issues and stuff, and getting that fixed. But yeah. So as you guys can see, entered here right off as soon as we had this candle close here. See if we can move this here. Come on, man. As soon as we had this candle close here, this 1 minute candle close looked really nice for the upside. I noticed that there was going to be a lot of buyers here. This basically told me that we could potentially take out the pre-market high and the skill level here and just take off. But that's not really what happened. And as soon as it basically came down here, my entry was on this candle, and as soon as it came down below VWAP, I quickly exited because I wanted that push to happen like right away. Like I didn't want to, wait for a consolidation and a break or whatever. Like I wanted to see AMD fly as soon as it opened because of how Nvidia was on Friday in the last week. So, and yeah, that didn't really happen. Exited both my contracts at 196. Premiums were nice, but overall, yeah, I need to be mindful because I did size into this, and that's not what I want to be doing, especially for trying to scale into building a position here for this trade. And yeah, basically, I'm just glad that I didn't come out red on this. Like, this could have gone really bad. And yeah, gonna note that and journal that. So now on to the next trade. Coming to SPY here, as you guys can see, we made new all-time highs, closed the week with new all-time highs. And on the daily, what I was looking for was basically a retrace level to take a bounce. And the reason why I was looking for that was it just looked right for it to, have that momentum to pull back and nicely make a bounce. But that's not what really happened, and that's not really the market decided not to do. And the first trade, basically, I was waiting for both scenarios. On SPX, I was waiting for a 49.38 bounce. If we got that, which is equivalent to approximately around this area right here, 492. That didn't really happen. So as soon as we held below that SPX level, I entered puts here, but I accidentally entered one contract of the 0 DTE 491 puts. And what I was basically looking for was I entered here and I exited here. What I was basically looking for was down to a nice profit target goal of 491.38, which is 49.30 on SPX. And as soon as we got here, I quickly exited here. Didn't really want to play with 0 DT contracts because it wasn't really my intention in the first place. But then once I saw this candle, I entered the 488 puts. One contract at 114, wrote it down all the way here. Initially, this was my profit target, but due to the way that the premiums are moving, I set a limit order and it got hit really fast, so I didn't really get a chance to go all the way down here. But yeah, that's pretty much it overall. Price came back retraced, and overall decent price action if you guys caught it in the morning or in here as well, depending on your trading style and your levels and your system. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Nothing too crazy, just 2 trades, AMD and SPY. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.